Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Moong Daler Khichuri. This recipe is so nice and unique that it is offered as bhog during puja days. So without wasting time, let's get started. Take 1 cup of Govindbhog rice. If Govindbhog rice is not available, any other small grain rice can be used. Take 1 cup of Moong Dal, 1 small bowl of green peas, 1 small bowl of cube cut carrots, 1 small bowl of 1-inch cut French beans, 1 small size cauliflower cut into small florets. If you cook the recipe as bhog, in addition to the previous ingredients, take 50 grams of cashew, 50 grams of raisins and half coconut cut into cubes. First of all, dry fry the moong dal on medium to low flame until golden and nice aroma comes out. Wash the rice and the dal separately and soak them for half an hour. Now take 1/4 cup of mustard oil in a hot karai. If you make the recipe as bhog, add ghee and mustard oil in 50-50 ratio. When the oil is sufficiently hot, make the flame medium and fry the carrots until golden. Add a pinch of salt during frying. In the same manner, fry the beans with a pinch of salt. Fry cauliflower. Here you add a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. In case of preparation of bhog, fry the cashew, raisins and coconut separately and keep aside. Keep the fried vegetable aside. Add 2 bay leaves, 2 dry red chilies, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. After a while, add whole garam masala of 4 green cardamom, 4 cloves and 2 inch cinnamon stick. When nice aroma comes, add 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. Fry until it becomes soft. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and stir until the raw smell goes out. Let's add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Make the flame low, add little amount of water and fry until the oil separates out. Let's add the soaked rice and fry for a minute. Add the soaked dal and cook for some time. Keep it aside. Now boil 7 cups of water in a large pan on high flame. Add the mixture into the boiled water. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. When it starts boiling, cover it with a lid, make the flame low. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Open the lid and add green peas along with the Fried vegetables. While making bhog, add the fried cashew, raisins and coconuts. Cook for a while. Add some water if the mixture seems dry. Cover it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Now open the cover and add 4 to 5 slightly sliced green chilies, 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar to taste, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of bhaja masala made of dry frying, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 2 dry red chilies, 1 green cardamom, 1 clove, half inch cinnamon stick. Add 1 to 2 teaspoon of ghee. Switch off the flame and give a standing time of 5 minutes. Now it is ready to serve with fried brinjal, labra, that is Bengali style mixed vegetable, and chatni of your taste. If you enjoy the video, do share it with your friends and family. Like it. Subscribe to our channel, Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Write your comments in the comment box too. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.